ground fault circuit interrupter outlets. I will demonstrate to you how this outlet saves lives. Let's test it differently. If I plug in my wire and short the live, which is the black wire, to the earth, which is the green, the breaker should pop. Let's test it differently. I have my dry hand, GFCI, and the wires. I don't think it'll open because it needs more than 5 milliamps, so let's try it. This is nothing. This is nothing for me. Come on! Doesn't open. Never ever try this at home. I'm doing a fully soapy hand to give it the best shot. Otherwise there will be a hell of a pain. Okay, come on. Sorry guys, the pain is too much for me, but I'm sure it will. It opened! Install GFCI in bathrooms, people.